हेलो गाइस। आज मैं आप लोगों को फिजिकल साइंस क्लास 9 का वर्क, पावर और एनर्जी चैप्टर पढ़ाने जा रहा हूँ। सबसे पहले हम लोग को जानना है व्हाट इज वर्क। फोर्स इज अप्लाइड ऑन ए बॉडी एंड बॉडी मूव्स इन एनी डायरेक्शन अदर देन परपेंडिकुलर डायरेक्शन, देन वर्क इज सेड टू बी डन। का मतलब क्या हम बोलना चाह रहे थे कि जब किसी बॉडी पर फोर्स अप्लाई किया जाए और फोर्स अप्लाई करने के बाद वो बॉडी डिस्प्लेस हो, किसी भी डायरेक्शन में डिस्प्लेस हो, बट परपेंडिकुलर डायरेक्शन में नहीं होनी चाहिए, तो उसे कहते हैं वर्क डन। अब हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर जाते हैं। मैथमेटिकल फॉर्मूला ऑफ वर्क। वर्क इज इक्वल टू फोर्स इंटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट इंटू कॉस थीटा। हमको पता है कि cos 90 डिग्री का वैल्यू 0 होता है, इसीलिए 90 डिग्री डिस्प्लेसमेंट में वर्क 0 हो जाता है। खैर, सिंपल लैंग्वेज में हम लोग कहेंगे वर्क डन इज इक्वल टू फोर्स इनटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट अदर देन परपेंडिकुलर डायरेक्शन। व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वर्क? Work is classified into 4 types. Number 1, work done by the force. Number 2, work done against the force. Number 3, no work force. And number 4, zero work. अब इन चारों को हम लोग डिटेल करें। तो पहला, वर्क डन बाय द फोर्स। When a force is applied on a body and body moves in the direction of applied force, then it is called work done by the force. When we push a book in north direction and book moves in the north direction, then it is called work done by the force. Second, work done against the force. When a force is applied on a body and body displaces in the opposite direction than the direction of the applied force, it is called work done against the force. That is, when we push a body in north direction but body moves in south direction, then the work done is called against the force. Third, zero work force. When we apply force on a body and body does not move, then it is called zero work. Example, when we push a wall, we cannot able to push it from its position, then the amount of work done by me is called zero work. No work. What is no work? When a force is applied on a body, body moves but in perpendicular direction to the applied force, then it is called no work. अब आते हैं नो वर्क के कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स पढ़ लेंगे, इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जाम्पल्स है नो वर्क को। तो अब देखिए क्या क्या एग्जाम्पल्स। तो पहला, अर्थ रिवॉल्व्स राउंड द सन। अर्थ रिवॉल्व्स राउंड द सन। डज अर्थ डू एनी वर्क? During the revolution of Earth around the Sun, the Earth does not do any work because the centripetal force and centrifugal force acting between Earth and Sun are perpendicular to each other, and the displacement of Earth is perpendicular to the force acted by Sun on Earth. That means जब Earth मूव करती है तो एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पर मोशन, डायरेक्शन ऑफ मोशन ऑफ Earth and force acted by the sun are perpendicular to each other. As a result, Earth does not do any work during the revolution around the sun. Second example, a coolie is moving on the horizontal platform with a heavy load on his head. Does coolie do any work? The coolie does not do any work because he is moving on a horizontal platform and the force are acting downward direction because he kept several weights on his head. The direction of the force is in downward direction and he is moving on horizontal platform. Therefore, the angle between the direction of force and direction of displacement is perpendicular to each other. Hence, at this position, coolie does not do any work. But if that coolie is moving upstairs or downstairs, then at that time he is doing work. What are the units of work? In CGS system, the unit of work is erg, and in SI system, the unit of work is joule. So, what is erg? When a force of one dyne acts on a body and the body moves 1 centimeter in the direction of the applied force, then the work done is called 1 earth. Then what is joule? When a force of 1 Newton acts on a body and body moves 1 meter in the direction of the applied force, then the work is called 1 joule. What is the relation between earth and joule? 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 7 earth. 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 7 earth. Next, power. What is power? Rate of doing work is called power. Rate of doing work is called power. That means power is equal to work by time. Power is equal to work by time. We can establish a relation between work and velocity. How? We know that work is equal to, power is equal to work by time. But work is equal to force into displacement by time. Therefore, power is equal to force into displacement by time. But we know that displacement by time is equal to velocity. Therefore, power is equal to force into velocity. What are the units of power? In CGS system, the unit of power is earth per second, but in SI system, the unit of power is joule per second, which is commonly called watt. So define watt. When an agent can do 1 joule of work in 1 second, then its power is called 1 watt. This is also called practical unit. The bigger units are horsepower. What is horsepower? When an agent can perform 550 foot-pound of work in 1 second, then its power is called 1 watt, 1 horsepower. The relation between horsepower and watt is 1 HP is equal to 746 watts. Horsepower is the commonly used unit for machines. Next portion. Energy. Capacity to perform work is called energy. Energies are of different types, but today we are discussing about only one form of energy, that is kinetic energy, potential. The combined form is called mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is that type of energy which is possessed in a body by virtue of position, configuration or motion. According to its state, it is of two types, potential energy and kinetic energy. What is potential energy? The energy present in a body by virtue of its position or configuration is called potential energy. Mathematically, potential energy is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity into height. Potential energy is equal to mgh. If a stone is put at a certain height, it requires some amount of energy inside it. That energy is called potential energy. A stretch bow contains potential energy. Kinetic energy. The energy possessed in a body by virtue of its motion is called kinetic energy. Mathematical formula is kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. That means half into product of mass and velocity whole square. What do you mean by conservation of energy? The energy neither created nor destroyed. It can only be converted from one form to another form. This is called conservation of energy. But today we are discussing about only conservation of mechanical energy. When a stone is put at a certain height, it contains 100% potential energy. But when it is allowed to fall on the ground and during its mid path, it contains half potential and half kinetic. And before touching the ground, it contains full kinetic energy. And after touching the ground, energy is again converted into potential energy. Along with potential energy, some other forms of energy may produce, that is heat energy, sound energy, even light energy. This is called transformation of Earth. Thank you.